What is the difference between a deed and a title, and what does each document represent? A deed is a legal document that transfers ownership of a property from one party to another, while a title is a document that shows who has legal ownership of the property. What is the purpose of a title search, and what information does it provide? A title search is conducted to ensure that the seller has a legal right to sell the property, and it provides information on any liens or claims on the property. What is the significance of a chain of title, and why is it important in real estate transactions? A chain of title is a record of all the owners of a property and any transfers of ownership, and it is important in real estate transactions because it ensures that the seller has the legal right to sell the property. What are the different types of deeds, and what are their respective advantages and disadvantages? The different types of deeds include general warranty deeds, special warranty deeds, quitclaim deeds, and deeds in lieu of foreclosure, each with their own advantages and disadvantages regarding the warranties and guarantees they provide. What is title insurance, and why is it necessary in real estate transactions? Title insurance protects the buyer and lender from any financial loss due to defects in the title, and it is necessary in real estate transactions to provide peace of mind and financial protection for all parties involved. What is a title commitment, and what information does it provide to the parties involved in a real estate transaction? A title commitment is a preliminary report on the title of the property, and it provides information on any defects or liens on the title. What is the purpose of a closing statement, and what information does it include? A closing statement is a document that lists all of the debits and credits of a real estate transaction, including the purchase price, closing costs, and any other fees or expenses associated with the sale. What is a title opinion, and what information does it provide? A title opinion is a legal opinion on the status of a property's title, and it provides information on any defects or issues that may affect the transfer of ownership. What is the role of a title company in a real estate transaction, and what services do they provide? The role of a title company is to conduct a title search, issue title insurance, and facilitate the closing of the real estate transaction. What is the difference between a mortgage and a deed of trust, and how do they function in a real estate transaction? A mortgage is a loan agreement that is secured by the property, while a deed of trust is a legal document that transfers the title of the property to a third-party trustee until the loan is repaid, and both function to provide the lender with security for the loan. What is an abstract of title, and what information does it provide? An abstract of title is a summary of the history of a property's title, and it provides information on any transfers of ownership, encumbrances, and liens on the property. What is a title transfer, and what steps are involved in transferring the title of a property from one party to another? A title transfer is the process of legally transferring ownership of a property from one party to another, and it involves steps such as obtaining a new deed, recording the transfer with the county, and paying any applicable transfer taxes. What is a quitclaim deed? A quitclaim deed is a legal instrument that transfers whatever interest a person may have in a property, without making any warranties or representations regarding that interest. What is a warranty deed? A warranty deed is a legal instrument that transfers ownership of real property from one party to another, with a guarantee that the seller has clear title to the property and has the right to sell it. What is a title search? A title search is a process of examining public records to determine the ownership history of a property, including any liens or encumbrances that may exist. What is title insurance? Title insurance is a policy that protects a property owner and their lender against any claims made against the property due to title defects that were not found during the title search process. What is a title commitment? A title commitment is a document that outlines the conditions under which a title insurance policy will be issued, including any exclusions or exceptions that may apply. What is an abstract of title? An abstract of title is a written summary of all the legal documents that pertain to the ownership history of a property, including deeds, mortgages, and liens. What is the purpose of a closing statement? A closing statement is a document that lists all the costs and expenses associated with a real estate transaction, including the purchase price, closing costs, and any fees or charges that need to be paid. What is proration? Proration is the process of dividing expenses or fees between the buyer and seller based on the time each party owns the property during the billing period. What is an encumbrance? An encumbrance is any claim or lien on a property that may affect its value or use, such as a mortgage, lien, easement, or restriction. What is a lien? A lien is a legal claim against a property that can be used to secure payment of a debt or obligation, such as a mortgage or tax lien.